Can you see yourself in the 2021 Hyundai Accent? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Sophisticated style, comfort, safety, and affordability are among the many benefits this striking Accent delivers. Its agile, fuel-efficient ride energizes your commute, while its spacious, well-built cabin packed with amenities lets you relax and enjoy the journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, steering wheel controls, power windows, cruise control. Well-built, well-equipped, yet well within your budget. That's the Accent. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.